My first time in Hangzhou, I have been many times in China. It's really interesting to me to find this is the cradle of the Chinese civilization, 5,000 years old. And coming also myself from an equally ancient civilization, the Greek civilization, I find a lot of affinities, but also a lot of different and novel things for me, like the jade culture.
Déjà, moi je connais bien Nice, c'est une très belle ville et donc le fait de pouvoir connaître Hangzhou, c'est extraordinaire pour moi. Ça va permettre d'en parler avec les Niçois. Et deuxièmement, c'est vrai que les relations diplomatiques de la France et de la Chine ont fêté leurs 60 ans. Je pense qu'il faut les privilégier et essayer de les faire perdurer d'une manière un petit peu plus forte.
Alibaba is a lot ahead in a lot of technology, but I see that they are spending a lot of money also to help humanity. You have the free open source medical aid, and also a lot of the new technology that they're pushing through is actually to help the masses. A lot of people know Alibaba as a platform to sell things and to get things, but they also need to know that Alibaba is also forward a lot in new technologies.
De todo lo que hemos visto hoy en las empresas de tecnología, las aplicaciones médicas, ¿no? Todo lo biomédico me parece que produce una sensibilización, un progreso más interesante y desde luego es una necesidad de primer orden para el bienestar común de la humanidad. Yo creo que ahí hay un cambio muy amplio en prevención y en curación y ojalá toda la investigación que se haga en tecnología en ese sentido pues sea rápida y sea productiva.
It's really impressive to see the ancient history of this region and the modern township today. The impressive environment and the protection of the environment in this area. I think it's the most important thing for me for the first day.
What impressed me the most was the point where the Grand Canal met with the both other rivers, and you could see that this was the hub for meeting and also now for meeting, but in the ancient days for trade and travel, and yeah, that was really impressive. It's much more modern. In Germany there wouldn't be so much light at the river, but what is similar is that people meet around the river, have a drink together, go on a walk and spend time at the water.